Legacy Chiller Systems. We're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, just outside of the Smoky Mountains at a new Titanic exhibit. It's a great exhibit. We're doing a special project using seawater, and we're letting customers come in and see what the water actually felt like when the Titanic sank. So we're going to take you inside for a few minutes. I hope you enjoy the tour. Starting at the chiller, we have a PACT package chiller, and what we're doing is we're using this. It's a special low temp application, and we're going to be maintaining around 28 degrees Fahrenheit going to a titanium secondary heat exchanger, because on the other side of the heat exchanger we're running salt water. So we'll take you inside here in just a minute. Hi, this is Martin King. We're in the Titanic exhibit in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're in the equipment room, and what we're looking at here is the seawater storage tank. And this storage tank is running at about 3.5% salt. And right now we're running at about 34 degrees, is what our temperature currently is. Now what we're doing with this is we're taking this seawater here, we're pumping it out to a trough where guests can come along and actually put their hands in the trough and feel what the temperature of the water was when the Titanic sunk. It's really exciting stuff. Now what we're doing here is we're taking the heat out of the salt water using this secondary heat exchanger here. And this is a titanium secondary heat exchanger. So we're circulating 30 degree glycol on one side of it and our seawater on the other. So it's a pretty exciting project.